CryptoEL here. Welcome. Today we're gonna talk about BullX.io, a new platform for trading crypto, something like a bot, and it's really crazy how many advantages you can have with that one. I'm gonna show you in a second. First of all, subscribe to the channel and let's start with the video. So go in the link in the description, you're gonna find out a link, and when you click it, it will gonna open you same thing like that. Just open Telegram desktop. You have to it, it will appear thing like that. So simply log in and you'll be on the same page as me. So put some funds in it and let's see what we can do here. So this is the dashboard. I put the new pairs. I'm gonna show you in a second what I done, but what you can do here. Let's see, we have settings. Here by present button you can check the amount you wish to buy, and for sure you will have a button how many exactly to buy. How this button here is this on the side, the quick buy. It will be 0 for you. You can change it to whatever you want. I just wanted to check. Simply put something, and when you click it will disappear. So simply click and click save without anything else, right? Because I was struggling with that. Never mind. So here you have advanced. On advanced you can set how to sell and how to buy. As you can click here. Mine is already set up, so you should just click like that. Stop loss. What's that? Probably most of you know what is that, but when you are in a position and this will be a trigger, and if the price drops 30%, I'm gonna sell 100% of my coin and I'll be simply on 30% loss. Same thing, take profit. If if the coin is at 100%, like 2x my money, it will sell auto be auto sell, so it will be sold automatic. I can do something else on 50% to sell my 100, like to sell the on 100% when it's 2x to sell 50% of the tokens that I have, and this will it will be like 100% of the money. I mean, you're gonna gain the money back, so you will not be at loss at this point. So you can do something like that on second take profit. That means that when gains 200%, then you will sell the rest of your tokens. Pretty good thing to have if you don't want to follow the coin all the time, if you don't want to go watching the chart and so on and so on. But I recommend to put something like that, stop loss. Sometimes if you want to watch live, it will hit your stop loss and then it will take off. So be careful. This is probably for coins with higher market cap, and yeah, just be about it. Also, name it Richie because we're gonna be richer. And yeah, oh, I'm gonna save it like that. And if you want to enable it, click and enable it. Now active, but I'm gonna disable it for now. So this is most important things here. You have filters. I recommend you to put all of the things in here, all of the checks, even even this one. Yeah, hide that thing, because here you're gonna find out 99% of the coins will be complete rug pulls, just pump and dump. Of course, if you have Goku level good feeling, it saying it's not a financial advice here, be sure to have the liquidity, because if it's something without liquidity, you'll be unable to sell even if you reach a lot of money. So something like that, or even something else, but this is kind of secure, kinda. Most of them also will be rug pulls, but it's better than have things like that. As you can see, what's that? Zero liquidity. Never mind. So right now we're gonna check a coin on those settings, and let's put market. There even coins like that? Could be. Yes. with Guy. So let's check how actually to buy and sell. Here you have limit order and market order. Market order means that you're gonna buy on the current price. Here I put it on market cap, you can put it on price and we'll check the price. This chart is on 30 seconds, here will be probably on 1 second. Like that the chart will be crazy. So I'm not into that, but never mind. Yeah, you can play around, never mind, for to be like that. And as you can see, the crazy thing here is, you put let's say this amount here, you are clearly looking live what is happening. And okay, what's that? $5 gas is when we hear gas, we can edit the priority fee. This is too much priority fee. As you can see, 0.01, so one is like what, $3? No, absolutely no. So it's something like that. That's probably $1 for now price. But if your transactions are not also MEF protection, it's recommended to be enabled. I can recommend you this. And by bribe, don't actually what's that, but I also will lower it. If your transaction didn't pass, you to came here to hide this thing, to put it higher, to change the slippage limit, and same thing for the sell option. Because probably when you're selling, it will be in a higher price, so you're gonna need a little bit less, but also if you want to be faster and to sell on point, not when it falls and you lose money, be sure to enable the MEF protection, important. So that's the case. If you want to have faster transactions and secured and not sell too late, be sure to put those higher. But you can check, you can simply play around a little. Okay, so we done it. Right, so it will take $5. That transaction may be slow or not go through, as you see. So they want to be like, but we can do the priority fee. For this, I'm gonna put that just to test it. So let's see, doesn't matter what happened and more. Okay, you can click whatever and fix the buy and the sell. Also, you can buy on limit or buy on limit. Probably will short it. Do it like that. Or no, do not short it. Simply sell it. So never mind, I'm gonna show in a second. Let's see, let's buy a little. We don't have much in the wallet, so I'm gonna buy just this amount. You can check to enable this thing. You can check their security audit. Owner don't have any balance, that's pretty good. LP is burnt. Top 10 holders have only 6%, that's good. Their address, owner address is no, that's pretty good. So you can check the holders, the orders, the trades, your positions, top traders. You can see some people put $3,000 in this, and those are the smart wallet. That should be, yeah, probably the one that created the token or something. And as you can see, okay, that's pretty interesting. So this token is probably sent to all of those people, or all of those people are sniped, like they're sniping some first wallet, or don't know. But as you can see, all of them have 666 and 5. So yeah, you have to be careful with that thing. Always make your own research. And let's see. Okay, order executed. You saw how fast that was. We bought just to check average price, and now if we want to sell, we can do the auto sell like I show you. Now it's enabled, and it do thing that you set in here. This is pretty important if you don't want to lose a lot of money. Right now, if it falls 30%, we're gonna use it. As you can see, we are even on plus right now. Have $2 in it. And it's pretty crazy how fast actually it's going and how it's showing the price. Shows the price live. So it's good platform. Be sure to check it. As you can see, okay, we're gonna disable that. And this coin is kinda good because we have liquidity, we have market cap, it's kinda safe. The only thing is that a lot of people have same amount. Probably those are one person wallets. But yeah, you have to be careful. Then let's try and sell it. We're gonna be on loss a little bit. And check here and this will be it. We are lost 1%. We have here hold, and you can see the settings in here. Okay, so gonna be on loss, but we want to simply check how it's going on. Okay, our position is closed. Where is it? Orders. That's our order, and it's done. The order went through. Of course, I didn't have much in the wallet, so it was a little bit slower. Took like a couple of seconds. Here, pretty important, you can see how many buy in the last 5 minutes, how many sold, the percentage that gained. You can see this is the trend. So right now, probably in this correct exact moment, the token is falling actually. More people are selling. You can see the price, it's kind of stable, crazy. Here, let's see what we have here. You can measure with this thing, the ruler or whatever. You can check how many percent it gained. Like you can see 4,000%. Crazy. Like that. So some of the people are gaining those. Like in the first minutes, or what is that, 10 minutes? They gained 15,000%. Also, this is 20,000%. I didn't correctly, right? Let's say minus, one minus. This is simply on big over mine, but you saw it's so much. A lot of money. And what else we have in this platform? This platform we have airdrop. You can simply read about it, make your own research, and be sure to use the platform to simply take advantage of the airdrop. Here we have Academy. It will show you exactly most of the things that I showed you, and you can sure that beginning level if you're missing something. Here I showed you the settings, automation. Those are the automations. You can check your portfolio. We have the losing trade, wallet manager. Here be sure to come in here. Here you're gonna have the wallet keys. Save them. Be sure to do that. Save them and then simply click the thing. Check that you save it, because it will not appear second time. So do it and write them down on a paper, not in the online zone, but probably you know that. Here you have all the chains. I turn them off because I don't want to trade anything else rather than Solana. Binance, Ethereum is pretty good one. You can trade here. The meme coins will be more stable in here, but simply because the gas fees are higher, but also be conscious because they are rug pulls, most of them. So this is kind of it. You see the pump vision here, and so on and so on. The tokens, you can do all of that. Those are about to graduate. Probably they're finishing the pump and fun phase, and here they're all already graduated. And those are the new ones that are created in Moonshot token and pump and fun. You know those platforms. So kinda this will be it. As you can see, you can put watch list on your positions. Here you can check the trending coins, the gainers, the losers, the recent. and all of that in a simple platform. So be sure to go with the link in the description. Also subscribe to the channel and there will be links for my crypto wallets. If you want to help the channel, you can donate me something. There will be a Solana, a Metamask wallet. Simply, if you want to help, and do it. Let's check again. The airdrop didn't load it. Yes, you can check yourself and do it. Early bird. So you are early bird in this moment. You are not liable for the early bird drop. So yeah, early bird, we missed it. It was like a month ago or something. Right now it's airdrop 1. Airdrop 1, there will be a event soon. As you can see, airdrop pool, how it works, you can check it yourself. You will see. Right now we are here. Probably it's a Easter egg something. And as you can see, a lot of people are using this platform. I'm gonna show you right now. 5 million monthly visitors, and they are averaging 30 minutes of a visit duration. This is crazy. This is crazy. That means that people are trading through this platform, not using other platforms. So be sure to take advantage. Thank you for your time.